I'll show you today how to install Visual Studio Code. If you wanted to start your journey of your programming, then you can download Visual Studio Code, which is very helpful for doing programming. So what you need to do is you need to go onto the Google and search for Studio Code, download, and you will get this website, which is official website of Visual Studio Code, and you have to, as per the settings of your system, you have to download it. So suppose I am using Windows, I will just click on Windows, and then you have to download it. So downloading will start, it is showing up, and here my downloading is going on. So you need to get it on your system. Once it is downloaded, you need to install it on your system. So you will have to double tap. There will be one pop-up coming up on your screen. I accept. You have to click on I accept and then go on to the next. Add a desktop icon. Then move on to the next again. Then install. And it will prepare installation for you. Everything related to Visual Studio Code. Everything which is helpful for your programming journey will be installed in this. In Visual Studio Code, you can do programming in any language. You just need to install the extensions. If you are looking forward for the extensions for your Python journey, then I will add the link in the comment section. You can check that video out. Once it is installed, you can say finish and it will just launch a Visual Studio Code for you. So these are just my open files. So